Let's go. Let's go. No, let's go up all three more. That's unfortunate.
Okay. I love you, I do need you, I do love you, I do need you.
Hey guys, Ivan's Life 2 here. We're back with another video. Today we are playing the most best game in the world. Pats are liquid. We are back with this series, the best series in the whole world. And yeah, we're just gonna play where we last left off. Oh, I forgot about that. So I'm pretty sure I last left off on how many words are there? 12. No, I last left off on World 7, Episode 2. I think this is the wrong one. Which world was it? I think it was actually this world. Yeah, it was this one. Wait, is this? I want to see student work. So that's enough. I forgot to put it on Do Not Disturb. Is it on? Okay, guys. Sorry for that cut right there. See, this is why. Okay. Alright. So basically, like, the recording malfunctioned again. It's always gonna replay this game. Hopefully, it doesn't continue to happen, because then I don't want this to be the reason why I can't do it good. Oh no. No, go down. Oh my gosh, I get stuck. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I did this part already. I don't think I did. No, go down. No. Oh, that was a close one. Hurry. Let's go. I could just go this way. That was so much easier. I gotta wait for that. Go down. Also, one day I'll show the editor. I know I say that a lot, but I'll show what the editor does in this game one time. Maybe if we have extra time. I'm gonna try to complete this world. She wasn't sure what she was gonna say to her friends when she got back. But maybe if we have extra time in this one, maybe we can show the thing, the editor, and hopefully I'll be able to complete the whole episode. I don't know what you call all the levels in one episode, but hopefully I can do that. Should she just apologize? Would that be enough? I think that would be enough. She should just apologize. Oh. It just randomly stopped. Okay. Go. Okay. Oh, we haven't done it in a while. Okay, I know what I'm doing. Oh, I know what I'm doing. It's going too fast for me. Oh, it's going too fast. Oh, let's go checkpoint. I got all my lives back. Let's go. Oh no. The first thing I did in this game was actually check out the editor, like on my own time, because I played this on my own time before. Oh no. Because I played this a long time ago on my own time. I actually completed the whole game, but I kind of forgot now, and that's why I wanted to play it on YouTube, and I thought it was going to be pretty cool. So, but actually, yeah, the first thing I did on my own time was actually check out that editor. I think I made a pretty decent map. Not really. I don't think it's anything special at all. Oh my gosh. It's I can't multitask. I can't talk while I play. Then I get distracted. Or at least on complicated parts. Go down, go down, go down, go down. So I feel like that's why I always struggle. And because those are automatic, and if I click down or up, it would just pause me, so then I'll die. No, go up, no, no, no. Oh, where am I going? Oh, there you go, I made it. Oh, I hate these ones. You gotta hurry, you gotta hurry. Get out or you get shot. Go! Go! Let's go, checkpoint. Okay, I only have one life. Go, go, go. Let's go! Dang it, I have the hiccups now. No! No! Dang it. I went this way. I'm going this way too. Dang it, I just let it take me. Oh my god, I just did that. No! Oh, that was so close. That was so close. Dang, I hate hiccups. They're so dumb. I'm going the bad way. Dang it, come on. Let's go. Oh, what is this? Who would go in there? She still wasn't sure what she should do. Oh, I hate these ones. Alright. Ow! Oh my god, you're so close again. I hate hiccups. Hiccups are making it worse for me. I can never tell when it's automatic though. That's the thing. Go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, nothing. Maybe she didn't need to worry. Yeah, just don't worry. They were her friends out there. Yeah, because, like, why would friends, like, judge each other? Like, whose friends would do that? Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Should we be honest with them? Yes. They would understand. Yes. And I just died. Dang it. I can't get rid of the hiccups. Oh my gosh. Dang it. I only have one life now. Dang it, I should have moved. Now the restart. Also, pretty sure if I duck under those fire ones, I just not get hurt. Go. I was gonna say I had all three of my lives, but never mind. Oh, what if I just do this? You could just skip the whole thing if you just do that. Oh, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it take you! Dang it! I never know whenever it's one of those automatic ones. Man, I hate lag. That was for sure lag, by the way. Why did they just do that? It just pushed me out. Me out. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Full concentration. Let's go. Let's go. No, let's go have all three more. That's unfortunate. This video's already 10 minutes. She hope. Wait, why didn't you even read it? Pretty sure it says she hoped they don't understand what they're supposed to say.
No.
What is this?
No.
Are you kidding me? Why did it go back? Yeah, it says she hoped they would understand. What am I doing?
No. No. No.
What am I doing?
No.
Girl, why is it going back? Why is it going back? Why is it going back? It'd be easier if I didn't have hiccups. No, no. How am I supposed to know if it's not? It's, no. You only have like 2 seconds before it either comes back or like it puts more. Okay, then. Now you go. 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 Oh, I would have made that. Dang it. I'm just gonna have hiccups the whole video then, aren't I? Are you kidding me? How are you supposed to do that? Alright, hopefully I got rid of the hiccups. Dang it, now they're still there. You know, I'm never making the titles. I'll be like, playing catch a victim when I'm sick. Or playing catch a victim whenever I'm not sick. I think it's gonna be called playing catch a victim whenever I have hiccups. Let's go! Guys, we did it! We beat it, let's go! I'm dancing. Let's go! I'll do just a tiny bit to see what the next level is gonna be about. Oh, it's one of these. Let's go. I have to have one of these at least in one of my videos. Let's go. We have a new power? No, I thought I had a new power. Oh. That's all you're gonna see. That's all you're gonna see. You just have to wait until I make another Count the Liquid episode. Let's go. Look, I finally made a video, and this is totally not gonna corrupt, right? Yeah, why would it not? I mean, why would it? Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Count the Liquid is officially back. At least if you see this video. If it never comes out, then you're never gonna hear this. But hopefully it comes out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Just end the record. I still have hiccups.